Hello, my name is Melissa Worth and I am a solicitor helping businesses and individuals to resolve their commercial disputes. Each week, as part of my weekly law review, I take a look at a recent judgment that's been handed down in the English and Welsh courts. This week, I have chosen the case of the Havilland Aircraft of Canada Limited and SpiceJet, and this is a case that was handed down in February of this year. The issues that the court was asked to look at was the construction or interpretation of a variation agreement and the matter of liquidated damages and contractual penalties. So every commercial litigator's dream. The background to the case was as follows. The claimant, de Havilland, was a manufacturer of aircraft, and SpiceJet, the defendant, is India's largest budget airline. The defendant had agreed to buy 25 aircraft from the claimant. The defendant paid for and accepted delivery of the first 5, but then failed to make payment of the rest. The claimant, understandably a little upset about this, served notice to terminate the order for the undelivered aircraft, but also to terminate the agreement as a whole. The claimant sought to claim $42.95 million in liquidated damages in respect of the undelivered aircraft. The reason why this case caught my eye is because the judgment is concerned with cross claims for summary judgment, and in my experience, this isn't something that we see very often. What was also useful to note is that despite the eye-watering size of the dispute, the court was still willing to grant summary judgment. So, when the issue in question is the construction or the interpretation of a contract, the court will be content to give summary judgment regardless of the value of the claim. The case also provides a really useful reminder of how the court will determine whether a liquidated damages clause amounts to a penalty or otherwise. If you would like to learn more about this case, then you can find more details in my legal blog. And my blog is available on www.disputeadvisor.wordpress.com. If you have any queries or comments about my blog or this video, please do get in touch. And if you are not a lawyer, remember that if you are ever unsure about your legal position, you should seek help from a solicitor. Many thanks.